Welcome to my colleagues, directors, principals, students. Yesterday we received circular for the COMPART exam 2025. We have been noticed that the COMPART LOC will open from 30 May to 17th June. All schools finalize the LOC of COMPART before 17th June. We will not wait for the last date. We must complete our COMPART LOC under the given timeline. It means we have to submit our LOC COMPART supplementary list before 17th June. There is question who will be eligible for the field COMPART or supplementary examination from the school, and who will eligible for the submit their LOC as private candidate. The board give us 3 chances for appear in the COMPART or supplementary examination or improvement examination. The students who have appeared in the board examination of 2025 will be eligible to fill their LOC from their school, and the students who have appeared in 2024, they have not eligible for the fill by our school, because school gives 2 chances to fill or submit the LOC from the school side. First, annual examination. Second, COMPART examination. The student of class 10th have 2 subject less marks than pass will be kept in the COMPART or supplementary list, and they have only 2 subjects are eligible for the COMPART. If they get in 3 subjects less than pass marks, will be kept in the category of essential repeat. The students who will have been kept in the essential repeat will fill the form privately. They have not to take anything from school to fill their form. They will fill the form by yourself. It means privately. The students of class 12th have get in 1 subject less than pass marks have been kept in the COMPART category or supplementary category, will be eligible to fill the COMPART or supplementary LOC exam. The students who have appeared in the examination of 2025 in February, March will be eligible for the fill their form by the school. The students who have not get pass marks in their two subject will have been kept in the essential repeat will fill their form for the examination 2026 privately. It is the clear. Then I want to tell you that CBSE board give us only 2 chance from the school. First main examination, second compart. CBSE give us total 3 chance for improvement or compart. The students who have kept in compart category first will be filled by the LOC. It means 2 chance, main examination and comparts will be filled by the school. Third chance is being taken as a privately. The students have been kept in the pass category, but they get less marks. Or some students keep 6 subject, 7 subject,